Hey everyone! So I got my first sequins haul from Cartwright, and I will leave the link down below. They have endless amounts of sequins in different sizes, shapes, colors, finishes. I mean, it was insanely overwhelming because I wanted everything in every color and every size, but I started out little because I had a little bit of money from doing my nails. So yeah, I am so excited with what I got, although I think I forgot orange, which is kind of weird, but it's okay because I would usually probably use orange for Halloween, and that's still a couple months away, and I can see myself putting in another order very quickly because I want to get some like little shapes and obviously different colors and maybe some different finishes. But again, I will have it linked down below. I am so excited. Let me know what your favorite color is. Me, I have no idea. My favorite color is purple, but there's so many different pretty ones in here. I am so excited to make some more shakers because that's probably my favorite thing to make right now, is anything with sequins and shapes. And I think I'm gonna add some beads to some mixes and see how that turns out. But yeah, here's the card, and yeah, I'm just gonna go through the colors. This would definitely help me out seeing it. I should have looked at some Cartwright hauls before to kind of get the more clear picture of what they look like, but it is okay. I'm super happy with what I got. So yeah, I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, please let me know. I can show you some up close. I can measure on a ruler if you'd like. They do have a size chart on their website, so you can look there if you'd like. But yeah, these were usually, I think they were $1.75. Some were $1.35, some were $1.25, and you get, I think most of them come with like approximately 1,000 pieces. I think some say 950 like this one, or you can get them like in a big size, like bulk size, for like $12 I believe, and that would be amazing also, especially if you like to mix your own and sell them, or if you have like a big project or a lot, or if you just want to keep a lot on hand. This website is amazing. And I ordered I want to say like on a Tuesday, and I got it on a Friday. Like, it was so super fast. Like, I ordered and I got a shipping notification, like, you know, where it's ready to go, like I want to say an hour later, and I believe I got I want to say like 75 and some $76 worth. So yeah, I got quite a few. I wanted to do the free shipping because it's over $75 is free shipping, I believe, in the US. But yeah, I was so excited, and I got it within a few days. It was awesome. Like, no problems at all. Everything is in here. Nothing's ruined. Nothing's opened. Yeah, it came intact, and I'm so excited to order again. So again, any questions, please let me know. I hope you enjoy looking at all these pretties. So yeah, have a great day. Bye.